Our society today has a great demand for energy, and wind certainly has part of the answer for that. A very central question here would be, how can we shape the blades of the wind turbines in order to extract the maximum amount of energy? I work with computational fluid dynamics. We investigate shape optimization by using computers. Now what we have done for quite some time now is that you can have a geometry, you can have a blade, and you can ask the computer, so how would the flow field look like in this case? Now what we want to ask the computer now is, what would a better shape look like? How can we change the blade in order to improve our lift, our amount of energy we extract out of the wind? What is really fascinating to me is that you derive these auxiliary equations, these adjoint equations, which go backwards in time and change the directions of the flow, and it's very demanding for your intuition about this stuff. But there's also the implementation, that part. You work with CFD solvers with, I don't know, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 lines of code. And when you want to implement something in such a beast, then it might take some time. Coming to DTU wind energy, you're so close to the industry. You know that if you produce something valuable to the industry, it will be put to the test right away and it will be used, which is a huge benefit, I think. It's really motivating. I really enjoy the work here at DTU. I have great freedom to structure my work and my time as I see fit. I enjoy biking out here in the morning, the office, my colleagues there. We're 4 PhD students. Of course, we work with different projects, but you can still make good use of each other. And it's always nice to have somebody to talk to. It can be some heavy stuff that you work with, so it's also nice to just make good use of the environment and the surroundings around you. Take a run if you need to. Of course, there's part of the work which you do alone, but you also have close collaboration with very motivated researchers. You learn so much from other people that have been in the field for maybe 10, 20, 30 years. I'd actually like to continue working here at DTU once I'm done with the PhD project. You just don't find places like this too often.